What is the best way to fry calamari without overcooking it?
Hello, food lovers! Today, we'll be unlocking the secrets to frying up some mouthwatering calamari. The goal is to achieve a delicate balance between a crispy exterior and a tender, juicy interior without overcooking it. Remember, the secret lies in perfect timing and temperature. Let's dive in.
What do you need?
To start off, you'll need the following ingredients: fresh calamari rings. The fresher, the better. All-purpose flour, eggs, breadcrumbs. You can use traditional or panko breadcrumbs for a crunchier texture. Salt and pepper. To taste, lemon wedges. For serving, oil for frying. Canola or vegetable oil works best for equipment. Make sure you have a good deep fryer or a deep pot, a thermometer to keep track of the oil temperature, and a slotted spoon or tongs to safely remove the calamari from the hot oil.
How to prepare?
Before we get to frying, you'll need to do some prep work. Start by patting the calamari dry and seasoning it with salt and pepper. Then set up a breading station. One bowl for the flour, one for beaten eggs, and one for the breadcrumbs. Dredge each calamari ring first in flour, then egg, and finally breadcrumbs, making sure it's thoroughly coated at each step.
What's the perfect frying temperature and time?
Here's where precision is key. Heat your oil to a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. You can use a thermometer to ensure accurate temperature. Once your oil is hot enough, add the breaded calamari rings in batches, making sure not to crowd the pot. As for the frying time, it's relatively short. Fry the calamari for just 1 to 2 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown color. Be sure to turn them occasionally for even frying. Remember, calamari cooks quickly and any longer can lead to rubbery texture.
How to serve?
After removing the fried calamari from the oil, place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain off any excess oil. Serve immediately while they're still hot, sprinkled with a bit more salt if desired, and accompanied by lemon wedges. The acidity of the lemon complements the rich taste of the fried calamari beautifully. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to making the perfect fried calamari. Remember, it's all about the balance between time, temperature, and technique. Once you've mastered these, you'll be serving up restaurant-quality calamari in no time. Happy cooking!